We are living in the most exciting time in human history. I mean, how can you explain a man or a woman working from home, taking care of the kids, enjoying, the fraternal relationship, and still working and earning enough money to take care of things? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Emmanuel here, and I'm excited as always to have you back on the channel. Hope you are doing great today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 best digital skills you can learn in 2023. Are you stuck? Are you thinking of changing career? Are you looking around thinking of how do I add extra income to my finances, to my purse, to my bank account in 2023? If you follow me in this video step by step, by the time I'm done, you're going to have clarity on which of these skills to focus on. And if you master one of them, I can assure you before the end of this year, not even before the end of this year, because some of these courses just takes about 6 weeks to 8 weeks to learn. So if you stay on one, in few months, you're going to have a different story. All right, guys, so let's look at the 5 of them. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our video, which we release every day. And for those who have been coming back, thank you for being back, and I love you so much. Thank you for subscribing and watching and sharing the video. Let's go now. Number 1 is AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning. There's a lot going on in that space. In fact, just some few weeks around end of 2022, OpenAI released their artificial intelligence chatbot called ChatGPT. This particular software, this particular artificial intelligence bot is so accurate that it's causing a lot of excitement in the tech space. Everybody wants to test it. I've tested it. I've written a lot of articles with it. I've done a lot. I've even checked out some codes, and everything works so perfectly that you can actually think this is a human being. All right, this has created a lot of excitement, and so many persons, companies, organizations want to get in and be part of this thing. In fact, Microsoft, who is part of that company, have already invested $10 billion, and they have actually announced that they have integrated the ChatGPT into their search engine, all right, the Edge. And this is causing a lot of issues in the space, because companies like Google, who has been there, who is the master of search, they are running helter-skelter trying to meet up. And in just a few days past, they introduced their own version, which they called Bard. And unfortunately for them, their own version actually made a mistake, I beg your pardon, and that mistake cost them $100 billion. So what I'm trying to say is that there's a lot going on in the AI space, and of course, if you understand how everything works around that space, there are companies waiting to hire you. There are organizations that are looking for people who understand what is going on in the AI and how they can use some of these inventions, all right, some of this chat, how they can integrate it into what they are currently doing. So if you master this skill, I can bet you a lot of money is waiting for you. So AI and machine learning is number 1. Number 2 is digital marketing. Digital marketing has been there and is still there, and of course, if you master digital marketing, you're going to be helping businesses sell online. Digital marketing is simply selling through digital channels, all right? So you're going to help businesses sell through various digital channels such as social media, search engine, email marketing, and search engine optimization, and a whole lot, okay? So if you are able to master that skill, you can be sure making a lot of money. If you don't want to work for anybody, you can become a freelancer. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and the rest will help you sell your skill. You can even create an agency and begin to work with multiple businesses. Okay, so digital marketing is a skill that if you master in 2023, you can be sure that your pockets will be very heavy. All right, number 3 is data analytics. Data science or data analytics, as the case may be. Let's just call it data analytics. That is helping companies make sense out of all this large volume of data being generated every day. Somebody have to sit on it and be able to make sense out of it so that it can lead to revenue for the company or organization. So the data analyst is the one to be able to do that. And if you master how to do it, there are several tools that can be used. Of course, if you go, there are several online courses that teach you how to do this. Whether you want a physical class in your location, you'll be able to find one. But just know that data analytics is hot in 2023. And if you master it, I can bet you will have a lot of money. Number 4 is cyber security. There's a whole lot going on in that space because attack is every day. People are looking for how to pull down a company, how to attack a company and shut them down, how to do that and collect ransom. Just like you have, terrorists and bandits in the physical space, the online space, the terrorists and bandits are the cyber attackers, right? Who go online looking for how to, attack businesses and pull them down. So the cyber security professional is the one to protect businesses using the skill they have acquired to prevent attack and ensure that businesses are safe online. Okay, so if you master this skill, I can bet you will be on your way to the top financially. Finally, number 5 is web development. Web development. I can always say thousands of businesses are coming up every day in several countries, and these businesses need a website, right? Every single business needs a website, and somebody have to help them create the website. That is you. So if you master web development, you're able to build website. And the beautiful thing about web development in 2023 is that you don't need to be techie. You don't need to even understand a single line of code, right? There are tools like WordPress that you can use to build any kind or any type of website for any kind of business. Whether it is a business website, whether it is e-commerce website, whether it is membership website, whether it is subscription website, any kind of website can be built with WordPress. Is it a blog you want to build? You can use WordPress. So if you master the art of web development, if you're able to do that using a simple tool like WordPress, I can assure you that you will never lack money because businesses are there, right? Individuals are even there who want to build something for their side hustle and their hobbies, right? So you have enough. Whether you want to work for businesses or you want to work as a freelancer or you want to create an agency, you can use any of this skill to do that. So guys, these are the 5 best skills, digital skills you can learn in 2023. And I tell you, I always advise this. Just pick one, right? Just pick one. You don't need to, you don't need to start trying to master everything. Just pick one of these skills and focus on that one. In the next 2 to 3 months, you will have mastered that one. Then you get your hand dirty, and before you know it, money will start to flow in. Then you can add another one. If you are so perfect in the one you have chosen and you decide, okay, let me add another one, you can add another one because the more skill you have, the more money you make in this 21st century digital economy. All right, guys. So this is how we do it. And of course, if you have gotten value from the video, what do? Like and share the video. And if you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? You are missing a lot. Go ahead, click on that subscribe button, and remember to use the comment section if you have any question. And of course, I'm going to be leaving some link to some resources that you may need. For instance, if you want to build a website, I have resources to, places you can go to get your theme, get your hosting, get your domain. Just, click on those links and be able to get those resources. And of course, if you have any question, like I always say, ask me any question and I will do my best to respond to your question. Until I see you again tomorrow in another exciting video, this is Emmanuel signing out and saying, I'll see you again tomorrow.